What up guys, it's your boy DATSITZACK here for dose part 2, and for today we're going to talk about my second favorite juice, which is this one. Can't see it right now, but it's the purple Samba juice. The reason I love it so much is I could use it before a workout, I could use it after a workout, I could use it during a workout. It's purple, which is one of my favorite colors. It rhymes with feet. It has something in it that gives you 2 amazing health benefits. Can you guess what it is? Are you still thinking about it? It's almost there. I could see through the camera, you guys staring at me, that you're thinking. You're almost there. A couple more seconds. Beets, exactly. I knew it. I heard you guys. That's what it is. So let's dive into it and explain how and why this juice is great for you.
Let's go to the first benefit that beets provide. Beets contain NO, which is nitric oxide, which are vasodilators that cause the relaxation of smooth muscle and increased blood flow to your arteries and arterioles. Great for when you're about to work out and want to increase blood flow to your extremities and muscles. The second benefit is phytochemicals that are found in fruits, vegetables, and more. Specifically for this drink, we're looking at carotenoids, flavonoids, and terpenes. They help our bodies protect us from oxidative damage and free radicals that destroy our cell membrane. They're the main reasons for the great amount of disease and cancers that are out there to this day. Having these benefits make these juices a must-have into a daily routine. I know I, like many of you, are very busy and don't seem to have the time to juice yourself or to go to a farm and get all these natural ingredients yourself. This is why I'm extremely happy that Dose has my back and is giving me the dose-filled nutrients I need to keep on going and keeping my health A1. So that's it for this video, guys. If you want to get your own custom pack of juices, you guys can go in the description box below. There's a discount code for all you guys. It's 15% off. That's it, Zach, as per usual for most of my discounts. Let's go check it out, guys. Have fun with it. Find what juices fits you best, what you guys enjoy the most. They also have smoothies, so you guys can go check that out. But as usual, it's your boy. We out. Punch, elbow, headbutt, knee, kick. Peace.